2016 F-150 XLT. Let's check some transmission fluid. Where do we got to go? We got to go way down there. Let's go. Alright, so we're down here pretty deep. Now, you see right about here, a little plug sticking out. Yeah, Ford was too cheap to put a dipstick in. Sealed transmission, you know, not much you can do about it. So, we're going to use a 3/4 inch socket. You could probably use a wrench. And we'll loosen this up. There we go. And now we take this plug out. There's a dipstick waiting to be looked at. Right there we go. So we're going to take this off here first. We'll clean it out. And it's kind of set in here like this. You know, kind of a fancy thing Ford decided to do. So we'll clean this off. We'll stick this back in like this. It's all the way in, and now we'll pull it back out and check our level. And she's low. Wow, she needs fluid. Remove stick from cap before use, and look where we're at. Wow, we need transmission fluid. See service manual. So let's clean it off one more time just to make sure. And we are on the level too, and tapping on the bottom of that pan there just to kind of see. All right, we're back down there again. We're flush. Let's pull it back. Oh, let's get. Maybe I wasn't flush. Now we're flush. All right, let's try it again. And we need fluid, my man. Look at that. There's barely anything on there. So that's how you check your transmission fluid. If you have a code coming on, your check engine light's coming on, it says see the manual. Well, this is why, because it says right here on the little stick, it says see the manual before. Let me wipe that off a little bit better for you. It says see service manual on the other side. It should be up here. You got two settings on this dipstick right there. See that? It should be clear up here. It's way down there. That's still, you know, since I'm under the ground, on the ground, comfortable. It's getting late. Let's just do it one more time. Check it. Make sure it's in there. It's seated. I think you can see that. Sorry about that there. All right, let's pull that one more time. Of course, the engine's cold too. So, yeah, we need some fluid. Well, so there you go, guys. That's how you do check your fluid. Put this back in down here. We'll put the cap on. And now we got to find some fluid to put in it. That's probably why he had a check engine light and a transmission code. All right. And of course, don't forget to snug it down. Nothing terribly tight. And there we go. Now, of course, everything we just did is on the passenger side. So I've got it jacked up. Make sure if you jack it up, put some blocks under it or even a support jack. And other than that, that is how you check your transmission fluid on a 2016 F-150. Thanks for watching.